California wildfire fueled by high winds grows to 10,000 acres and forces evacuations. Injuries reported, homes destroyed in Southern California. Wildfire that began Wednesday, fueled by high winds, rapidly grew to over 10,000 acres, officials said. The mountain fire in Ventura County prompted evacuation orders, and the blaze grew amid with fire officials called a significant Santa Ana wind event that increased the fire risk for the region. Firefighters who arrived at the scene of the brush fire, which broke out between the communities of Moore Park and Somis, were faced with a tough firefight, Ventura County Fire Department Trevor Johnson said. The fire was moving so fast that firefighters got residents out of their homes and drove them out of the area in the fire engines because of the danger, he said. Firefighters were right off the bat engaged in pulling people out of their homes and saving lives, Johnson said. The fire department did not have a count for the number of structures destroyed. The fire began at 8:51 a.m. local time, the California Department of Forestry and Fire Protection said. It was 0% contained Wednesday afternoon, and what sparked it was under investigation. High winds prevented fixed-wing aircraft from helping to fight the flames, the Ventura County Fire Department said. Ground crews, helicopters, and mutual aid rescuers are actively working to protect lives and property. The spokesperson said several people were taken to the hospital. News helicopter videos showed homes destroyed in the residential neighborhood and firefighters trying to put out the flames at another. Other homes were burning. The fire jumped State Route 118 and part of it was closed due to the fire on both sides of the freeway, the California Department of Transportation said. The highway was closed from Santa Clara Avenue to Tierra Rejeda Road. Smoke was also limiting visibility, slowing traffic on the busy 101 freeway south of the state route, and the department said on X. The high winds caused spot fires to ignite 2.5 miles away in front of the site of the original blaze. Bushes are burning, grass burning, hedgerows burning, agricultural fields are burning, and structures are burning, Gardner said. This fire is moving dangerously fast, he said. The National Weather Service said high winds gusting up to around 60 miles an hour were creating extreme fire risk on Wednesday. The gust around the fire area was recorded at 54 miles an hour, it said. This is from NBC News on DNYUZ. Please leave your comments and thank you for your support.
Support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.